The Chrome browser is a popular choice for internet browsing, but did you know there's an offline installer available for download? Installing Chrome offline has several advantages. It allows you to install the browser without an internet connection, and it also ensures you have the complete setup file on your system. To download the offline installer, you need to visit the official Chrome website, and look for the Alternate, Offline, Google Chrome Installer option. Click on the option that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you've selected your operating system, the download will begin immediately, and you'll soon have the offline installer on your computer. Using the offline installer can be especially useful if you have multiple devices to install Chrome on, or if you have a slow or unreliable internet connection. The offline installer is also handy for technicians who need to install Chrome on multiple computers without the need for an internet connection. To install Chrome with the offline installer, simply double-click on the downloaded file and follow the on-screen prompts. You can customize the installation options such as the location where Chrome should be installed, creating desktop shortcuts, and setting Chrome as your default browser. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Chrome and start enjoying a faster and more secure browsing experience. Updating Chrome with the offline installer is just as easy. You simply need to download the latest version of the offline installer and run the installation process again. By using the offline installer, you can save time and avoid the hassle of downloading the entire Chrome setup file every time you need to install or update the browser. Whether you're a regular user or a tech-savvy professional, downloading the Chrome offline installer makes the installation and updating process much more convenient. So next time you need to download Chrome, consider using the offline installer for a hassle-free experience.